Reading is one of the most challenging part of IELTS, where you need to answer 40 questions that too in 60 minutes. And that's make your IELTS reading a troublous task. And exactly why you need to understand some tips, techniques and strategies. Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dagar, your IELTS expert, welcoming you at PW IELTS Prep by Physics Wala. Well, IELTS reading consists of 3 long passages, and each passage will have somewhere 13 to 14 questions. So in total, you will see there are 40 questions, and these questions are from 14 different categories. These are true, false, not given, yes, no, not given, matching endings, matching features, matching information, matching headings, answer short questions, MCQs with one answer choice or more than one answer choice type question, table completion, note completion, summary completion, flowchart completion, and diagram completion. All these questions will ask you to read the passage and take out answer exactly from the same passage. Here, you are not supposed to use your own understanding and your knowledge to answer the question. So there are some question type that you can easily find their answer in the passage in order. These are table completion, note completion, flowchart completion, matching endings, matching features, true, false, not given, yes, no, not given, answer short questions, and MCQs. And here is what does not come in order: matching information, matching headings, and diagram completion. So today I'm going to share 3 super fantastic strategies that can help you to clear your IELTS reading in one go. Well, these are speed reading, known as skimming, search reading, known as scanning, and careful reading, known as detailed reading, or the first sentence or the last sentence of the given text. Skimming in reading is just like flying over the text, giving a quick glance to the heading, subheading, bold letters, or the very first sentence or the last sentence of the paragraph to grasp the overall idea of the passage. It is a rapid way to get an overview of the entire content. And of course, it is absolutely perfect when you have no time or you have to prioritize the main information. Scanning is like using a magnifying glass to find out a particular information from the big picture. Instead of reading everything, you are looking for a particular word, phrases, or information from the text. It is like hunting for a treasure in a vast sea of words. Detailed reading in IELTS involves closely examining specific information of the text to find out precise information, facts, or details. It is like a zooming in with a microscope to find a fine print. Instead of just skimming the surface, you are diving deep into the text, paying attention to the every word or sentence to locate the right answer. It is crucial for the task where accuracy matters. Let's talk about time management. There are 2 ways to take your IELTS exam: CBT and PBT. When you are giving CBT test, that is computer-based test, well, you will see there will be time on your screen, which is quite easy to maintain and track that how much time is left to answer a particular question type. Whereas in paper-based tests, you will see that there is a wall clock in the examination hall from where you can easily track the time. Well, the entire 60 minutes, right, as I've already mentioned, that reading involves 3 passages, and here after each section you will see the difficulty level will increase. The very first passage comparatively easier than the coming 2 passages, whereas you will find the third passage will be the more difficult one. And that's how you are supposed to divide your time. For the first section, 15 minutes. For the second section, 20 minutes. And for the third section, which is the most difficult one, 25 minutes. Or make sure you are giving more time to the passage 3 where the questions are quite difficult. Now some tips that can help you to get success. Skim the paragraph. Do not forget to skim the paragraph, because the skimming can give you the overall idea about the passage, which will help you to locate the answer easily. Focus on the main points, and for that, no matter you are giving CBT test or the PBT test, do not forget to use the feature of underlining and highlighting the text. Always read your question first, because this will give you a purpose so that you can find out the answer quickly from the passage. Focus on introduction and conclusion very closely, because this is the place where the writer can write his opinion. Of course, you can read the body paragraphs, but that you can read to understand the supporting details. Make sure that you are transferring your answer at the same time when you are finding them, because here you will not get extra time to transfer your answer. So make sure either you are keeping 2 minutes out of 60 so that you can transfer them later, or you are transferring at the same time in a right sequence. Learn paraphrasing skills, because yes, this is how you will be understanding the information given in the passage and the information asked in the question. So it's very important you to understand the paraphrasing skills and have some good commands over the synonyms and the good words. You can use your finger and cursor to improve your concentration while reading in the passage. Do not stuck on a difficult question. See, if you're finding that the question number 5 is difficult and you're getting a lot of time here, so better you can skip that question and move to the question number 6, because here you will have a chance to go back and forward at any point of the time. You can just review and see that how many questions are still left to answer. After trying hard, if you still think that you're not able to get this answer, so make an educated guess, because here you will have no negative marking. Try not to leave any answer blank, because if you are leaving your answer blank, definitely that blank will give you a 0 marks. But if you are making an educated guess, that may give you 1 mark. Last but not the least, practice as much as you can, because taking IELTS reading test, that to a time condition, is not an easy task. Well, that's all about reading. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.